Door. It's a cement roof. Don't think about the roof. These are the windows.
Ano yan?
Ayan, orthographic drawing yan. So, this is the first part. This is the second part. So, what Ben did is he uses orthographic drawing to connect each of the designs. Oh, we're gonna do another one. Okay?
Architect ka na pala, Daddy.
Dati akong architect eh. So, I make 3 parts. So, this is the third part. So, there are 3 parts. Okay? So, this is technically called orthographic drawing. He combined, diba, the parts. So, we can see the whole, what are we talking about?
The whole building?
The whole detail.
Ay.
Detail. Diba? Yan ang ibig sabihin doon. Ayan o. Gumamit si Ben ng orthographic drawing upang makita ang iba't ibang bahagi ng kanyang proyekto. Why is this important? Kasi mali yung sagot mo, di eh. Upang magdikit. You cannot dikit it. It's not physical.
You cannot dikit.
Upang makita ang kabuang detalye. So that you can see the whole detail.
Bottom. Yung bottom hindi nakikita. Siyempre,
diba?
gilid. Ganun.
So that's the example.
Okay.
Do you understand what's the purpose of orthographic drawing? It's a blueprint. Get it? And the correct answer is A. Hindi D. Upang magdikit. Wala kang ididikit pa dun eh. Wala namang ididikit dun eh. There's nothing physical to glue it, diba?